Today, we're looking at how you can show off your services using national campaigns. This is a Parkview Hotel, Hamilton's restaurant, and they're based in Wolverhampton. And obviously, what they do here is they use social media as a little shop window or a little view or gallery, if you like, into the gorgeous food that they serve in their restaurant. Now, they get much more engagement with this post here, which is actually off the back of Valentine's. Now, you could do this with literally Mother's Day, Father's Day, Easter, any of the other kind of big national events or campaigns, if you like. And using Valentine's as a hook, they show us that they're more than just a hotel by telling us what they have on offer for Valentine's in their hotel, but actually it's all about the services. So whilst the image hooks you in, they say that they can deliver, they offer a collection service. You can also obviously eat in, and then they give you the detail, and they even say that they cater for all dietary requirements. And the little bit at the end is obviously, just book now, basically, so contact us now. So it's that little call to action. So it shows us that using Valentine's as the hook, they're able to show all the different ways that you can actually purchase their service. So the image entices you in, and then this very much kind of actually drives you to go, actually, there's no excuse. I have to just go for it. So yeah, it's a really, really good way of framing your content.